Hello future millionaire and welcome to our video. Money making is an art that depends on various factors. But unfortunately, a substantial percentage of the population still does not know the novel ways of earning money, managing finances, and becoming rich. Furthermore, many business ideas fail every day, but a few also make it big in the modern business and financial world. Here is a list of the best money-making books to get started. Leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and I had the notifications so you don't miss more amazing tips like this. 1. The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, Powerful Lessons in Personal Change. In this book, the author highlights the 7 habits as being proactive, beginning with the end in mind, putting first things first, thinking win-win, seeking first to understand, then to be understood, synergizing, and sharpening the saw. He explains the nature of each habit and how these help people win secretly and get close to their life goals. 2. How to Win Friends and Influence People. The book is a masterpiece, with more than 15 million copies sold. The author states that smiling can be a great impression and interest people's favorite topics. This way, people tend to open up with you and share their mindset, goals, and secrets. The book is primarily set to teach its readers how to become likable, win others in conversations, and look and be confident about their personalities. 3. The Richest Man in Babylon. The author asks people to live below their means, avoid taking any form of debt. The book motivates people to learn the art of lending instead of becoming borrowers. It talks about the Babylonians and their basic principles behind wealth, like saving a small part of your income now and then. This one habit is still asked and supported by many people even today. For Rich Dad Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki, this book holds a special place in the heart of the readers. Many people have always had a hard time realizing the shift between a rich mindset and a poor mindset. Robert has been a great believer in real estate investing and making amends, and saving people from paying heavy taxes to the government. The author condemns the basic pattern that society teaches us to go to school, educate, and get a job kind of lifestyle. 5. The Automatic Millionaire, Expanded and Updated, a powerful one-step plan to live and finish rich. In this book, the author has written more than 10 books till now, and 9 of them have been listed among New York's bestseller list. David suggests that saving a little every day can take the form of big. He also points out that many rich people have one thing in common: they were introduced to investing from a young age. 6. A Random Walk Down Wall Street, the time-tested strategy for successful investing. Burton G. Malkiel. In this book, the author talks about investing in index funds and provides a brief idea of where one should put their money. Many online money-making books are available on the same subject, but this book has its reputation for testing the most usable strategies. As a result, many people consider this book the first purchase before starting a portfolio. The author shares his core insights about owning a house, stocks, and bonds. 7. The 4-Hour Workweek. Escape the 9-to-5, live anywhere, and join the new rich. In Ty's book, the author has devised 4 steps in the book and briefly explained each concept to help people escape their 9-to-5 work life. For example, the book states that many people follow the rat race, which they do not know but become a part of. One of the key reasons this book lands among the top money-making books is to have enough how-to tips and steps to make people realize their worth and what is wrong. 8. Your Money or Your Life. 9 Steps to Transforming Your Relationship with Money and Achieving Financial Independence. The book has helped many of its readers transform their relationship with money. It encompasses many factors related to a money-making concept like expenses, income, debts, and savings. In addition, authors encourage their readers to understand how simple steps can make the most of their relationship with money healthy and effective and enlightening. The book provides a blueprint of financial stability and gives a new perspective on life. 9 to 12 Months to $1 million, How to Pick a Winning Product, Build a Real Business, and Become a 7-Figure Entrepreneur. The book highlights how important it is to become a business owner and get out of an employee's 9-to-5 work cycle. It inspires people to become owners rather than employees, and the author suggests that this is the only way an individual can become rich. The crux here is that one has to become an owner to enjoy some freedom in their life. 10. The Greatest Salesman in the World. The book has a lead character of a poor camel boy and his life struggles. The author gave 10 important principles that outline a good life. He also marked the importance of asking for God's guidance, mastering emotions, and other benefits. Over time, this book has gained its value in the eyes of the readers. It also discusses the philosophy of success and salesmanship. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Share this video with people who need this type of content. Don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our tips on how to get rich in 2023.